What's up, squad? Thanks for stopping back by the channel. It's your boy Trey, aka Daddy Seed. Thanks for stopping back by. We're gonna get right into this today, y'all. We are talking about the drop that I've been waiting for, and many people are waiting for to close out 2024. I know there's still some other things releasing this year, but this was one of the biggies. And suffice it to say, I'm happy that the Shock Drop pair has landed. And we are talking about the Air Jordan 3 Black Cement. Haven't opened this box fully yet. Just kind of took off the little pull tab. But Nike did drop this to me in the kind of the Just Steal It box. This box that a lot of times they get peeked into. But luckily mine was untouched, sitting on the doorstep. Glad to get them in hand, y'all. Let's get right into this. Pop the lid here. And we just gonna get right into this pair, y'all. Y'all know what this is. You know what the box top looks like. The Air Jordan 3 Black Cement. Haven't seen this pair since 2018. And I actually don't have this pair in my collection. I missed it in 2018. I didn't go back for it because I knew it would come back soon. And 6 years later, here we are. But the box itself, dark gray, black lid. This is very OG box. And we got the black Jumpman on top. Basically there. General red underneath, nothing special there. We got the black cement paper, tissue paper with the white as well. And then we got the baby. So OG, so fresh, and so clean. We'll bring that around for y'all. And I really want to talk about this issue as is. Is it dope? Is it amazing? Is it worth all the complaints we've been hearing about from folks crying about all kinds of things? We're going to dive into it a little bit on a couple different aspects. Right off the bat, I'm happy. This shoe is beautiful. This shoe is phenomenal. You know, I got his brother right here. Now, of course, this is the reimagined Air Jordan 3, the white cement. Then we got the black cement. Bruh, fire. Either way. But first reaction, first thoughts looking at this shoe. The leather on the top, this upper here, is not tumbled leather. Slightly tumbled. It's a plush leather though. This isn't some regular, like hard, thick cut leather. This is a nice green, soft leather. I was talking to a friend, I said it might be like kid leather, like the kind you get like driving gloves. They're like really soft and smooth. Then this lower section here, we know what this feels like. This is almost like a vinyl, some type of mix with the leather there. But the upper is where people have been complaining because it's not tumbled and they wish it was tumbled. And tumbled doesn't necessarily always mean that it's good. You got the low toe box. So this is done to as close to the 88 specs as possible. And that, 2018, this elephant print cut was super thick. I mean, it was like a slice of bacon around the edge, which I wasn't a big fan of. This thin toe strap is beautiful. I mean, this might even be thinner than the white cement 3s from the Reimagined series. The back, of course, Nike Air on the back. And you got a nice cut, low on that back section here. And then those panels in the back of the heel. And of course, as we've all heard, the elephant print is light. It is a different type of elephant print, very light in that coloring. You look at its predecessor, these were very black and dark. This is very light gray. But either way, man, either way, fire. I'll take 2, or 3. Anybody want to give a size 11, holla at your boy. You got the Jumpman on the tongue, of course. Everything else is standard. No extra laces or anything like that. You got the gray perforation around the tongue, the red circles inside the eyelets there, the gray eyelet up top, which is customary and signature. You got your back tab, nothing there, of course. The midsole, your classic Air Jordan 3 midsole, and then the basic white outsole. But yeah, man, I mean, I'm not complaining. I mean, I think this is what that shoe was like back in 1988. If you press down, this is like less of a creasing type leather, more that it just wrinkles up, but it keeps its form. So I'm not mad at it at all. You got the classic throwback Nike Air tag on the side with just that plastic little attachment piece there. Nothing, you know, not the chain that you've had before. I don't know what to tell y'all, man. People out here complaining. Everybody wants to be a leather expert. Everybody wants to be an elephant print expert. Sometimes just roll with it, man. They're doing a lot to try to, you know, of course, 40th anniversary, Air Jordan, right, 2025. So they're giving us a lot of OGs and bringing things back, kind of towards that OG spec, you know, which is what we've been looking for. And I'm just trying to look at the QC on this pair. This one, pretty clean. Got a little speck on the back where that's painted. I don't know what that little speck is. But let's check the other shoe also. The other shoe looks fine. I don't have any glue stains or anything major sticking out there. Pretty clean all the way around. Yeah, man. Air bubble intact. Got that black around the midsole rear section. Just overall, man, clean. Nice leather. I can't wait to get these on foot. This is a classic. And again, this is the shoe that saved Nike because Michael Jordan was about to leave after the Jordan 2. And they said, well, hold up. Tinker said, we got this for you. Michael said, all right, let me stick around, check these out. And the rest is history, right? So classic, iconic pair. A lot of people's #1 Air Jordan of all time. Mine is a Jordan 4 Bred, but these are right there, you know, right alongside the Breds for me, the Bred 4s. You know, black cement, white cement 3s are freaking fire. So hope y'all get your pairs, man. This is, again, everything you need to know before the release. Get them, they're true to size. I never size up in Air Jordan 3s. The leather on these is nice. I like them a lot. Elephant print is a little light, but so what? You know, I was telling this friend too, like if you really want to, if it really bugs you so much, be very careful and detailed. Get you a thin point Sharpie and just trace the lines. You can make them black, you know, if you really want to. You just gotta be very careful. But it can be a little different. Like this is totally different, right, than that. And that's okay. I'm okay with that. Whew. Beautiful. Let me put these side by side one more time. Just for my own sake. I'll turn around so y'all can see the way they look. Beautiful. So anyway, what do y'all think? First glance, y'all excited? You happy to see these? You're excited for a pair, and the release drops this Saturday. These are $215? Can't even remember. Caught up in that shock drop so quick. I was in like whatever the time was. What was it? 2:23 p.m. Eastern. I was in at 2:59. Believe me, and got lucky. And a lot of people did. A lot of L's too, but a lot of people got lucky. There's supposed to be a ton of pairs. Raffles going on all over the place. DSG. I think DTLR, like you name it, Foot Locker, Flex, all over the place. So good luck. Come back through. Let me know if you did get a pair on the actual release date. And check this out. Make sure you sub up on your way out there and tell a friend. I will see y'all on the next one. Hit me up on IG, socials as well, @RealDaddyC. All right, y'all. Peace.